My least common multiple between these two would be 18. And so you said the top by what? 9. Bottom by? -2. Okay. So then the top would be -18. The bottom would be +18. Yay, let's rewrite it again. 36x. Thank you. +18y. +42x. Is this correct so far?
Yeah.
Okay. What's 78? Does this look right? Thank you. Okay, now we can actually add. So if you do that, you get 0 y's. 38 plus 40. 78x is equal to what?
-1.
Divide by 78. And we get what? Oh, that's nice of me. Okay, now we've done this part like a gajillion times. Plug back into your one of the equations, whichever one looks best. And we should get that y is what, guys? 9. Make sure you think about, okay, coordinate pair is x comma y. So it should be -2, 9. I rearranged. This is what I got. Does that look right? Okay. We got to figure out something to multiply. I personally like the x's because they're smaller numbers. What should I multiply by? Cora, what do you think? By what? Okay. Again. Let's rewrite it. Ooh, that was ugly. Boop. So 0 equals 0y plus 0x. In other words, 0 equals 0. What do I say? Thank you for not saying all real numbers. Yes, infinite solutions. So look back at yours. If you did not get -29 for the first one, something happened. I would like you to try it again. The second one should be infinite solutions. Let's go ahead and read this together. If you would please underline what's important. During a football game, the parents of the football players sell pretzels and popcorn to raise money for new uniforms. They charge $2.50 for a bag of popcorn and $2 for a pretzel. The parents collect $336 in sales. That's the total. During the game, they sell twice as many bags of popcorn as pretzels. How many bags of popcorn do they sell? Be easy on myself so I don't mix things up. I'm going to say B is bag of popcorn. You could use X and Y. And P is pretzels. Again, you can use different letters. You could use X and Y, but this usually helps me not mix it up. What's my first equation going to be?
Why are the answers wrong here?
Mistakes. Okay, any ideas? If I'm saying I sell double the amount of popcorn as I do pretzels, then I need an equation that involves B and P. Luke, what do you think it should be?
2P equals B.
Okay, 2. I'm going to write it down. Let's see if we agree. 2P equals B. So explain in words what that would say.
Because they're saying you're selling twice as many pretzels as your bags of popcorn, so you need twice as many pretzels sold.
No,
To,
you had that.
It says twice as many bags of popcorn.
no, twice as many pretzels
No, it says
as to be equal to the amount of bags
No.
of popcorn.
They sell twice as many. Wait.
If I have, just stay with me. If I have popcorn and pretzels. Okay, let's read this again. It says twice as many bags of popcorn as pretzels. I sell 10 pretzels. How many bags of popcorn will I sell?
20.
Okay, I sell 100 pretzels. How many bags of popcorn?
200.
I sell 150 pretzels. How many popcorns?
300.
Okay. Pretzel stands for P. Popcorn, bags of popcorn is B. So which one of these variables do I have to multiply? The pretzels. 2 times the pretzels is equal to bags of popcorn. So the equation has to be 2P is equal to B. Because you're multiplying this number by 2 to get the amount of popcorn. So what Luke said is correct. 2P equals B. Another way to write that would be amount of pretzels equals half the amount of bags of popcorn. Either one of those is good, but I like 2P equals B better because it doesn't have fraction. So what Luke said is correct. If you struggle with these kind of problems like I do, then write out a little scenario, look at the numbers, and then decide what the equation should be. Okay, so you have your 2 equations. One is almost in standard form. One is actually slope-intercept form. So now you need to, figure out how should you solve this. I know we're on elimination day, but it would probably be easier to solve this by substitution.
Oh, yeah.
But you could do it by elimination. We'll go ahead and do that. If I subtract 2P, then I could write a new equation. Yeah. B minus 2P is equal to 0, and then you could use elimination to solve it.
But could you use substitution?
You could use substitution. That's probably what I would do, but this is elimination day. So in order to solve this by elimination,
So 2P equals.
subtract the 2P, and then you can eliminate right away.
I'm going to write both.
250B plus 2P is equal to 336. We're not messing with that. I rearranged the second equation to get it in a form so I could use elimination because we're on elimination day. And I'm asking you to solve it that way. The P's would cancel out, so you're left with 350B, because that's 1, is equal to 336. If you divide by 350, how many bags of popcorn should we have? 96. So I just used elimination to solve for the bags of popcorn. Now, plug it back in. The easiest equation to use would, I hope you know, would be the 2P equals B. So I'm going to put 2P is equal to 96. Divide by 2. P is 45, 48.
Yeah.
I apologize, my work looks extremely chaotic. It's a word problem, so you should write a sentence at the end. P is 48, B is 96. Those stands for something. How many pretzels do they sell? How many bags of popcorn do they sell? They sell 48 pretzels and 96 bags of popcorn. Wow, that is pretty. This one should be really easy to get your variables. I'm going to say S is the small dish and L is the large. You got two situations on those little pictures. 3 small and 5 large costs you $28.20. And then the other ticket says 4 small and 3 large costs you $23.30. Don't overthink it. 3 small plus 5 large equals $28.20. Would someone please tell me my second equation? Elizabeth, can you tell us our second one? There you go. Don't get thrown off by the decimals. Your main job here is to eliminate one of these variables. So look at your two equations, figure out which one you want to eliminate, multiply both, and then solve it just like you did yesterday. I'm going to let you finish this one on your own, and I'm going to write your answer up.
Are they pretty numbers or ugly numbers? I got ugly numbers.
Here are the answers I got for S and L.
Okay.
Can you have part of a dish? Can you have 1.5?
Well, it's the cost. Yeah. It's the cost.
Oh, that is the cost. You're right. Just kidding. Let's fix this. See what happens? Because we have 3, we have 5. Oh, my bad. So that's your cost. And then it wants you to find the total cost.